Unpivot turns columns into rows. For example, we have a table like this, and we want to turn it to a table like this. In order to do that, we need to turn column C to J into one column called date, and another column for values of the respective date. First, we choose column C to J. Then we name the new column date. The column contains value will be called value. We can preview the results and click on Run Status on the top right corner to check run logs and details of errors if any. Once this step is done, you can either perform further transformations or export the data to a spreadsheet using push function.